Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to enable Google Voice search, if it is very easy and useful for quick searches. First, open the Google app on your phone or open Google Chrome. Then make sure you're signed in into your Google account. Next, check if your microphone permissions is enabled for Google. Without microphone access, voice search will not work. Now tap on the microphone icon in the Google search bar. If disabled, go to the settings inside the app and turn on voice search or voice match. After enabling it, you can simply say "Hey Google" or tap mic icon and speak your search. Google will instantly show based on your voice. If it does not work, restart your phone or head over to your app store and then go to search and search for Google and make sure to update the app. Now your Google Voice search should be active and working properly. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next guide.